Welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into something bold, dramatic and unapologetically American, the 2026 Cadillac V16, a name that instantly brings history, power and luxury into the same sentence. Before we get into it, it is important to say that Cadillac has not officially confirmed a mass production V16 flagship for 2026, so this review is based on Cadillac design direction, advanced luxury concepts and industry expectations of what a modern V16 Cadillac would represent if it returns as the ultimate statement car. With that said, let us step into the vision of what could be one of the most extravagant Cadillacs ever imagined. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac V16 would not be subtle, and it should not be. Cadillac has been moving toward sharper, more architectural design, and this car would sit at the very top of that philosophy. Expect a long, commanding hood that immediately signals what lives beneath it, paired with a wide, low stance that gives the car real presence on the road. The front fascia would likely feature an evolved version of the signature Cadillac grille, bold, vertically oriented and illuminated with intricate lighting details. Slim vertical LED headlights would frame the front end, creating a futuristic but unmistakably Cadillac face. Every line on the body would be intentional, flowing yet sharp, balancing elegance with aggression. Moving down the sides, the proportions would be classic flagship luxury with modern execution. Long doors, flush door handles and a sweeping roofline would give the car a limousine-like profile, while massive multi-spoke alloy wheels would anchor it firmly to the ground. Chrome accents would be used sparingly, focusing on precision rather than excess. Around the back, expect tall vertical taillights, paying homage to Cadillac heritage while using advanced LED technology to create a dramatic nighttime signature. The rear design would likely be clean, powerful and wide, with subtle aerodynamic elements integrated seamlessly rather than shouting for attention. Step inside, and this is where the Cadillac V16 would truly separate itself from anything else on the road. The interior would be a showcase of craftsmanship, technology and comfort, designed to rival the finest luxury cars in the world. The cabin would likely be fully wrapped in premium leather with hand-stitched detailing, real wood or carbon fiber accents and metal trim that feels solid and cold to the touch. Cadillac has been pushing hard into large curved displays, and the V16 would take that even further with a massive pillar-to-pillar screen blending the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system and passenger display into one seamless experience. The seats would be designed for long-distance comfort and executive-level luxury, offering heating, ventilation, massage and near-infinite adjustability. Rear seat passengers would be treated like royalty with individual screens, climate controls and possibly reclining lounge-style seating depending on the configuration. Ambient lighting would be customizable, creating different moods from calm and relaxed to bold and dramatic. Noise insulation would be exceptional, using advanced materials and active noise cancellation to ensure the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds. Technology would be cutting edge but refined. Cadillac latest user interface would be intuitive, responsive and visually stunning, with over-the-air updates keeping the system fresh over time. Expect a world-class audio system tuned specifically for the V16 cabin, delivering concert-level sound quality. Advanced driver assistance systems would be standard, offering hands-free highway driving, advanced parking assistance and predictive safety features that work seamlessly in the background. This would not feel like technology overload, but rather technology that quietly enhances every moment behind the wheel. Now let us talk about the heart of the beast: performance. The V16 name carries serious weight, and if Cadillac brings it back, it would need to deliver something extraordinary. A modern V16 would likely be paired with advanced hybrid assistance to meet emissions and efficiency standards while still delivering jaw-dropping power. We are talking about output that could comfortably exceed 1,000 horsepower depending on tuning and configuration. Power delivery would be smooth, effortless and endless, with massive torque available at any speed. Acceleration would be shocking for a car of this size, with 0 to 60 times that rival high-performance sports cars. Yet the true magic would not be raw speed, but how composed and confident the car feels while doing it. An advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering would allow the V16 to shrink around the driver, making it surprisingly agile for a flagship luxury sedan or coupe. Multiple drive modes would allow the car to transform from a serene luxury cruiser into a high-performance machine at the push of a button. Ride quality would be a priority, and Cadillac magnetic ride control combined with air suspension would deliver a balance of comfort and control that few competitors could match. On the highway, the car would glide effortlessly, absorbing imperfections, while in spirited driving it would remain planted and responsive. Steering would be precise but relaxed, tuned for confidence rather than aggression, making long drives a pleasure rather than a chore. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Cadillac V16 would sit at the very top of the brand lineup. This would not be an entry-level luxury car or even a typical flagship. Pricing would likely start well into the six-figure range, potentially around $250,000, and climb significantly with customization options. Cadillac has been leaning into bespoke personalization, and the V16 would be the ultimate expression of that. Buyers could expect a wide range of interior materials, exterior finishes, wheel designs, and technology packages, allowing each car to be uniquely tailored. In the global luxury market, the Cadillac V16 would be positioned to compete with ultra-luxury offerings from European brands while offering a distinctly American alternative. It would not try to copy Rolls-Royce or Bentley, but instead offer its own interpretation of modern luxury, blending technology, performance, and bold design. For buyers who want something different, something that stands out and carries a powerful heritage, the V16 would be a compelling choice. In the end, the 2026 Cadillac V16 represents more than just a car. It represents a statement about where Cadillac is heading and what it is capable of when it aims for the absolute top. Whether it remains a concept-inspired vision or becomes a limited production reality, it captures the imagination and reminds us that luxury, performance, and innovation can still come together in dramatic fashion. If Cadillac does bring the V16 back, it would not just be a flagship, it would be a legend reborn, and that alone makes it worth talking about. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you would want to see a modern Cadillac V16 on the road.